Hi children, how are you all? In the previous video we discussed that assignment 1 questions, right? In this video we are going to discuss the questions from assignment 2. See here, what is the first question? Here, find the HCF of x cube and x. HCF of x cube and x. So HCF means here highest common factor. Highest common factor. So by using that factorization also we can find, or else directly we can find it by using division method. Okay, see here, x cube means we can write it as x into x into x. Okay, and here x we can write it as only x into 1. Okay, we can write here x is the common one. Which number is in common? That is the highest common factor. Yes or no? Okay, see here, what is the HCF of x cube and x? Here answer is x. Answer is x. Okay, next see here second question. What is the second question here? Factorize that 5x square plus 5x. So factorize means here from these two terms, which numbers are in common, which literals are in common here. Actually number is in common, that is 5. Okay, 5. And here x square, here x is there. Okay ma? So take that x as common. 5x, take it as common. And here still x is there. Okay, so x plus 1. Already 5x we taken as common, no? So 5x into x plus 1 is the factorization of 5x square plus 5x. Understand? So this is the second one answer. So all are easy only. Just factorization means first which one is in all common. First we have to take that one as common terms. Later we have to go for that leftover terms. Understand ma? Next. Third question here, divide 0.1 x cube. This is divided by 0.5 x cube. 0.5 x cube. Then what is the answer here? By seeing this one here, we can say that x cube and x cube gets cancelled. And still left over here, 0.1 we can write it as 1 by 10. Yes or no? Okay, and in the denominator 0.5, 5 by 10. We can write this one as 1 by 10 into 10 by 5. 10 and 10 gets cancelled, which is equals to 1 by 5. Which is equals to 1 by 5. Understand ma? So here answer is 1 by 5. After dividing that one, we are getting here answer as 1 by 5. Understand? Yes. Next, see here, fourth question. What is that? Find the common factors of, actually here the question is 12x cube and 6x. Common factors we need to find out. So common factors, how we can find 12x cube? We can express this one as 2 6 are 12. We know that, right? Again 6 we can write it as 2 3 is 6. So this is the prime factorization of 12. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3, which is equals to 12. X cube we can write it as x into x into x. X multiplied itself by 3 times. And come to the next number, that is 6x. So 6 into x we can write this one as 2 into 3. So here I am writing 2 into 3 into x. Understand ma? 2 3 is 6, 6 into x is equal to 6x. Now here they are asking common factors. Common factors means here 2 is in common, 3 is in common, and in the same way x is in common. So common factors are here 2, 3, x. These three are the common factors of that given two numbers. Understand ma? So this is that answer. Next see here, question number 5. What is that fifth one? Here in that fifth one they given that 3 problems separately. So find the HCF of, what is that first one here? A is 5x, 5x square, 5. So we need to find that HCF, highest common factor we need to find out. So 5 into x we can write it as a 5x, we can write it as a 5 into x. Next 5x square we can write it as a 5 into x into x. 5 into x into x, and 5 we can write it as a 5 into 1. Okay, that is not a prime number, right? So we can write it as a 5. 1 is not a prime number, so just write it as some 5, or else a 5 into 1. Just here also we can take that into 1 also. Understand ma? Why? Because 1 is the common factor of all the numbers. That's why no need to write here. Okay, see here the common factors they are asking. So common factors means in these three terms also that number or the variable should be in common. If at least in one term that is not in common, then that is not a common factor. Okay. So in these three terms also we are having 5 as the common number. Okay. And come to this one. Here these two only having that common variable, that is x. But here x is not there. Okay. That's why this is not the common factor. So here common factor or HCF, highest common factor, is only 5. Highest common factor is 5. So here answer is HCF of the given numbers is 5. Understand ma? So let us see that next one. Second one, what is that? 6abc. Next 36a b square c. 216 a square bc square. A square bc square. See here, what is the prime factorization of a first? Always write the prime factorization for that given numeral number. Okay, numerical number. So numerical value is 6. 6 we can express it as 2 into 3. Okay, and here the leftover variables are a into b into c. A into b into c. And come to this one. Here 36 is there. So 36 we can write it as 2 into 18 is equals to 36. 18 again we can write it as 2 9s are 18. So 2 into, still 9 is there. 9 we can write it as 3 into 3. Understand ma? And into here a b square c. So a into b square means b into b is into c is equal to c. Understand ma? Clear? Next 21 we can write it as 3 7s 21. So directly we can write it as 3 into 7. Sorry. Here 216 no ma. So that is not 21, 216. So 216 we can write that prime factorization as 216. 2 ones 2, 2 tens 20, 2 8s 16. 2 54s 108. Again 2 27s 54. 3 9s 27. 3 3s are 9. Clear? And see here 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, we can write this one as 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 cube as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 multiplied itself by 3 times. Clear ma? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and here 24 3s are 72. 72 into 3 is equal to 216. Clear? Into here a square b c square. A square means a into a, and here b is equal to b, and c square means 2 times. Okay, now what they're asking here, we need to find that HCF. So see here, common factors. So here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Understand ma? So common factor first one is 2. Next here 3 3 3 into 3 into, and here a is there, here a, and here also a is there, a into b, b, here also b, into b, into c, 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 into c. Understand? Is there any other common factor? Just observe that while observing second and third terms, we are having some other common factors, but those terms are not there in that first number. Okay, those terms are not there in that first term or that first number. Okay, so that's why here which numbers are in common or which literals are in common, those values only we have to take here to find that HCF. So finally here 2 3s are 6 a b c. So 6 a b c is that HCF. Answer is 6 a b c. Understand ma? Yes. So next see here C. Next see this one. What is that? 25x square y square. Next 15x cube, and here 3x power 4 y. 3x power 4 y. Okay, from this one here 25 means 5 square. We can write this one as 5 into 5 into x square. We can write it as x into x into y square. We can write it as y into y, y into y. Okay, next come to this one here, 15, 3 5s 15, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 into x cube, we can write it as x into x into x, x cube. Clear? Next, 3x power 4. So 3 into x power 4, we can write it as x into x into x into x. X multiplied itself by 4 times, that is x power 4 into y. Okay, after prime factorization, now see here common ones, common terms. So 5 here is there, here also 5 is there, but here 5 is not there. Okay, next, here 3 is there, here also 3 is there, but here 3 is not there. Understand ma? So those two are not common factors. Next common factors here, x is in common, here x and here also x is there. And in the same way here x is there, x and here x. Next y, but here y is not there, but here there. Okay, y at least in one term, so that number or literal is not there, means that is not in common. Okay, so which are in common here? X into x, which is equals to x square is in common. Okay, so the HCF of this one is, given numbers is x square. Okay, what is the HCF ma? HCF of 25x square y square, 15x cube and 3x power 4y. So here the HCF is x square. Understand? Yes. So let us see here next sixth question. What is that? Factorize 9x. So 9x minus 81. So directly we can write this one. Here from these two terms we can take that 9 as common. Okay. Already we taken 9 as common. So the leftover x is there. X minus 9 into how much is equals to 81? 9 9s 81. So understand, 9 into x minus 9 is those two are the factors of that 9x minus 81. Okay, so that is the factorization of that given value. Next, come to that second one. Here this is also same, 7a minus 49b. So here a is there, here b is there, so that is not in common. But here numerical value 7 is there, 49 is there. So 7 7s 49. We can take that 7 as common. The leftover a minus 7 7s 49b. A minus 7b. Next, come to this one. Here 8x square 32x. Which is in common? 32 is a multiple of 8. We know that. And x is there. Here also x square is there. So we can take that 8x as common. Still here x is left over. Plus 8 4s 32. 32x. Understand ma? So that is the factorization of that 8x square plus 32x. Next, come to this one here. Here also 25x square y minus 10x y square. So here 25 is there, here 10 is there. So we can take that 5 as common. Why? Because 25 and 10 are the multiples of 5. So take that 5 and here x square y is there, here x y square there. Okay, so that's why from these two terms, here x one time is there, here 2 times there, here y 2 times there, here 1 time is there. So 1 time is in common. Okay, so that's why here x y take it as common. And here 5 5s 25 and here x square is there, but here x only there, no? So x into x is equal to x square y minus 5 2s are 10. Okay, already here x be taken as common, so y. 5xy into 5x minus 2y. Understand ma? Yes. And here this one, x cube y square z plus x square y z square plus x y square z square plus x cube y cube z cube. X cube y cube z cube. Okay, from this one which one we can take it as common? From these three terms also which one is in common? Just take it as x cube y square z. Next, x square y z square. Next, x y square z square. Another one, x cube y cube z cube. Okay, so first which one is in common ma? Here x cube is there, here x square is there, here x and here x cube is there. Okay, so if you want to write that factorization, then write that x cube means x multiplied 3 times and y 2 times. Next z 1 time is there. Next x square z square, x 2 times, y 1 time only there and z 2 times they given. And come to this one, x into y 2 times, so y into y, z 2 times, z into z. Next x cube, x into x into x into y cube, y into y into y into z cube. So z into z into z. Understand? Now common ones. Here x is in common. Okay, x is in common. Next again x is there, here x is there, but here x is not there, so we should not take that. Next y, here y, here also y is there. Understand ma? Yes. Next again y is there, but here y, another y is not there. Okay, here another y is there, here is there, but here y is not there, so that's why go for that z. Here z, z, z and z. Okay, now which are in common here? X, y, z only in common, so we can take that x, y, z as common. Now left over x, y, z we taken as common one time, and still here two times left over. X square, y already we taken as one time, so left over one time is there, z one time only there, plus from these terms x, y, z, so x one time is there still, y one time already we taken as out, and z one time is there, plus here x, y, z we taken as common, so the left over y and z, plus from this one x, y, z one time only we taken as common, so the left over x square, y square, z square. Understand ma? So this is that required factorization to that given one. What is that? X cube y square z plus x square y z square plus x y square z square plus x cube y cube z cube. Understand? So children, in this video we discussed up to 6 questions. Okay, in that next video we will discuss that leftover questions. Okay ma? Thank you all.